When I get a new entrant, I always explain that they're as integral as anyone else in the production. If the little jobs that they're being given during the day don't happen, things stop.
Making a grip trainee stand out for me is someone who's keen, asks questions all the time, isn't afraid to ask questions.
I can't tell you everything about my job because it just turns up every day is a different day. But if you see me do something, come and ask me afterwards.
They have to be on time. I mean, it was the thing in the BBC, if you were late, you wouldn't have gone in because you'd have been annihilated.
In that junior role, you have the absolutely unique opportunity to watch everybody, to see what everybody's doing, to learn what everybody does, ask questions, read the room. Those kind of people move in and become part of the team very quickly.
You need to have a very well-rounded sense of who you are and to be able to withstand slings and arrows effectively of what it is like to work on a film set. And the humility aspect is exceptionally important because as you progress through the ranks, the competitive edge that you want to have at all times also needs to be able to demonstrate that you're also able to help your colleagues along.
Be very careful not to beat yourself up for being a learner. There's a lot to be discovered and a lot to learn, and I learn something new every single day. You've got to keep enjoying yourself, you've got to keep learning and allow yourself to be a learner.